Hello everyone, welcome to AK and Sprint Education. Myself Naveen, I am the maths mentor. Coming to circles part 2, type 2 method of problems. Coming to question number 1, show that the circles x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. And the second equation of circle x square plus y square plus 6x plus 18y plus 26 equal to 0 touch each other. Also find the point of contact and equation of common tangent at this point of contact. Actually they have given two circles. This is one circle and this is the second circle. They are saying they touch each other. They are going to touch each other. Okay. Let us see. For the circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. Let us equate the given circle with the standard form of the equation of the circle. What is the standard form of the equation of the circle? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Right? If you compare the coefficient of x here 2g, and whereas the coefficient of x is minus 4. 2g equal to minus 4. 2 is multiplying. If you transpose g equal to minus 4 by 2, 2 1 jar, 2 2 jar. So what is the value of g? As the value of g is minus 2. Now compare y coefficient, 2f equal to minus 6, f equal to minus 6 by 2, 2 1 jar, 2 3 jar. So f equal to minus 3. And what is the constant, children? As the constant is minus 12. So what is the center? As the center we know that is minus c comma minus f. So we call it as c1. So c1 minus of minus 2. Children, as g value minus 2, minus into minus plus 2. Next minus f, minus into minus plus, that is 3. So center c1 is 2 comma 3. Okay, let us find radius. We call it as r1. What is the formula for radius? R equal to g square plus f square minus c. As the value of g is minus 2 whole square plus f value minus 3 whole square minus into minus, minus of minus 12. So 2 square value 4, 3 square value 9, minus into minus plus. So 4 plus 9 13, 13 plus 12 25. Root over 25. What is the square root of 25? Which is equal to 5. So we got C1 is 2 comma 3 and R1 is 5. Okay children, that is for the circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. Okay. So second circle we call it as S dash, which is x square plus y square plus 6x plus 18y plus 26 equal to 0. This is our second equation of the circle. Similarly, if you compare the given circle with the standard form of the equation of circle, as 2g value is 6, so g equal to 6 by 2, 2 1 jar, 2 3 jar, g value 3, and 2f equal to 18, f equal to 18 by 2, 2 1 jar, 2 9 jar, so f equal to 9, and the value of c is 26. Okay. Second circle center C2 we call it as minus g comma minus f, that is C2 is minus 3 comma minus 9. So let us find radius. We call it as R2. Formula is g square plus f square minus c. As the value of g is 3 square, f value 9 square minus 26. 3 square is 9, 9 square is 81 minus 26. 81 plus 9 90, 90 minus 26. 10 minus 6 4, 8 minus 2 6. Root over 64. Root 64 is 8. So radius R2 is how much? 8. So students, we found center C1, radius R1 for the first circle. as well as center C2 and radius R2 for the second circle. Now what we do, let us check whose R1 plus R2 value. I mean we got center C1 which is 2, 3. This is our C1, and center C2 we got, that is -3, -9. Radius R1 we got which is 5 units, and radius R2 we got which is 8 units. Okay, so let us check whether they will touch each other or not. So first let us find R1 plus R2 as well as C1 C2. So what is R1 plus R2? R1 plus R2, that implies R1 value 5, R2 value 8. So 5 plus 8 which is equal to 13 units, right? 5 plus 8. So C1 R1 we got 2. So children, once check R1 value how much we got? Yes, 13 only, correct only. Now let us find C1 C2. I mean distance between 2 points. So we call it as x1 y1, we call it as x2 y2. Distance between 2 points formula, root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So x2 value -3, x1 value 2, -3 minus 2 whole square, y2 value -9, y1 value -3 whole square. -3 minus 2 -5 whole square, -9 -3 -12 whole square. 5 square 25, 12 square 144, which is equal to 169. Square root of 169 is 13. So okay children, as we got R1 plus R2 is 13, C1 C2 is equal to 13. Therefore R1 plus R2 equal to C1 into C2. That means what? That means the circle touch each other externally. The circles touch each other externally. Okay, so they ask whether they are touching each other or not. Yes, they are touching each other externally. And the second point, also find the point of contact. What they are asking? They are asking to find the where they are point of contact. Okay, we have the formula, that is section formula we call it as. What is section formula children? P of x comma y equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2 if they are touch each other internally. But here they are touching each other externally, right? Yes. So what is our m1 m2? m1 m2 are our ratio. This is m1 and this is m2. Okay, let us find now point of contact. P of x comma y equal to, as m1 value is 5, m1 is 5, x2 value -3 plus m2 value 8 into x1 value 2 divided by m1 plus m2, I mean 5 plus 8 comma m1 value 5 into y2 value -9 plus m2 value 8 into y1 value 3 by m1 plus m2, I mean 5 plus 8. 5 3s are 15, 8 2s are 16 by 13. 5 9s are 45 plus 8 3s are 24 by 13. So 16 minus 15 1, 5 minus 4 1, 4 minus 2 2. So what is the point of contact? Point of contact is 1 by 13 comma minus 21 by 13. Children, is it clear? That is our second question. Also find the point of contact. So whose ratio m1 m2 is 5:8. The points are x1 y1 and x2 y2. We have the formula P of x comma y equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So these are the x1 y1 x2 y2 value. We substituted, we got the point of contact 1 by 13 gamma minus 21 by 13. And coming to third question, and equation of common tangent at that point of contact. What is the equation of common tangent? That is, let us find third point, equation of common tangent. Equation of common tangent, that is s minus s dash equal to 0. So s means x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12, minus s dash means x square plus y square plus 6x plus 18y plus 26 equal to 0. Let us remove the bracket. X square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 minus x square minus y square minus 6x minus 18y minus 26 equal to 0, plus x square plus y square minus y square minus 4x minus 6x minus 10x minus 6y minus 18y 24y minus 12 minus 26, that is equal to minus 38 equal to 0. I mean minus 10x minus 24y minus 38 equal to 0. S minus s dash equal to 0, right? So let us take minus common. So let us take minus 2 common. 2 5 are 10, 2 12 are 24, 2 19 are 38. Minus 2 is multiplying transpose. So 5x plus 12y plus 19 equal to 0 by minus 2. So 5x plus 12y plus 19 equal to 0 by something 0. So answer is what? 5x plus 12y plus 19 equal to 0. Children, here in this problem they are asking three points. First one is whether they are touching each other or not. So for that what we did? We found R1 plus R2 and as well as C1 C2. If R1 plus R2 equal to C1 plus C1 C2, then we say that they are touching each other. And the second one is point of contact. What is the formula? P of x comma y equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. That is the second point. And the third one is equation of common tangent. What is the equation of common tangent formula? S minus s dash equal to 0. These are the three sub topics they are asking to find in the problem. Is it clear, children? Yes. Now coming to second question, find the equation of direct common tangents to the circles. Equation of direct common tangents to the circles. As we have two circles here. The first circle, x square plus y square plus 22x minus 4y minus 100 equal to 0. Okay, let us find whose center and as well as radius. Okay, center we call as C1, radius we call it as R1. So if you compare the given equation of the circle with the standard form of the equation of the circle, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. What is the value of 2g? 2g value 22, g value 11. 2 1 jar, 2 11 jar. Next, 2f value minus 4, so f equal to minus 2 and c equal to minus 100. Center we call it as minus g comma minus f, I mean minus 11 comma minus into minus plus. And then let us find radius. Formula is g square plus f square minus c. G value 11, f value minus 2, c value minus 100. Right? 11 square 121, 2 square 4, minus into minus plus. 121 plus 4, 125, 125 plus 100, 225. What is the square root of 225, children? Which is equal to 15. Any doubt? So this is common for each and every circle. Whatever the problem which is given from the circles, this is common. The thing is, center we call it as minus g comma minus f,
and radius formula is root over g square plus f square minus c. If you do this minimum, you will get minimum 2 marks for whatever the problem which is given from the circle. Now coming to second equation of the circle, that is x square plus y square minus 22x plus 4y plus 100 equal to 0. Let us compare with the standard form of the equation of the circle, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Children, what is the value of 2g? Minus 22. Including sign you have to write. So g equal to 2 1 ja, 2 11 ja, I mean minus 11. And then 2f equal to 4. So f equal to 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. And the value of c is 100. So we call center C2, that is minus g comma minus f, that implies minus into minus plus 11 comma minus 2. And radius R2 is root over g square plus f square minus c. G value 11 minus 11 whole square, f value 2 square and minus c value 100. 11 square 121, 2 square 4 minus 100. 121 plus 4 125 minus 100, which is equal to square root of 25, as the square root of 25 is 5. So R2 value how much, children? 5 we got. Okay. So equation of direct common tangents, these are the two circles. Let us draw now. This is the second circle C2, and whose center is how much? 11 comma minus 2. Okay, first circle center C1 is minus 11 comma 2. Right? So this is our external point E. Okay, children. So this is we call it as R1, and this we call it as R2. So children, we got C1, C2 and as well as R1, R2. R1 equal to 15 and R2 equal to 5. Okay. So more is there, children? Nothing we found. Simply we found C1, C2, R1, R2. Now what we have to do, children? We need to find R1 plus R2. We need to find R1 plus R2. R1 is 15 plus R2 is 5. 15 plus 5, 20. Next we have to find C1, C2. Distance between 2 points formula. 11 minus into minus plus. 11 plus 11 whole square minus 2 whole square. 11 plus 11, 22 whole square plus minus 4 whole square. 22 square means 22 into 22. 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4, I mean 484. 4 square means 16, which is equal to root 500. How can we write as root over 500, children? 100 into 5. I can write as root 100 into root 5. Root 100 means 10. Root 5 value 2.235. So you will get 22.35. So if you observe here, as the value of C1, C2, how much, children? C1, C2 is 22.35, but whereas R1 plus R2 value 20. I mean C1, C2 is greater than R1 plus R2. C1, C2 is greater than R1 plus R2. Then we can say that external center E divides, this is our external center. That is E divides C1, C2 in the ratio what? So as R1 is 15 and R2 is 5. Simplify, 5 3s are 5 1s are, so ratio is 3:1. This is our M1, M2. And our points are minus 11 comma 2 and 11 comma minus 2. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. Externally dividing, right? So what is our section formula? P of x comma y equal to
m1 x2 minus m2 x1, m1 x2 minus m2 x1 divided by m1 minus m2. Second one, m1 y2 minus m2 y1 by m1 minus m2, because E is an external point.
Externally they are dividing. So m1 value
3 into 11 minus m2 value 1 into minus 11 by 3 minus 1, m1 value 3, y2 value minus 2 minus m2 value 1, y1 value 2 by 3 minus 1. 11 3 is 33 minus into minus plus by 2, 3 2 is 6 minus 2 by 2, 34 44 by 2 comma minus 8 by 2, 2 1 is 2 22 is 2 1 is 2 4 is. So our point is what? 22 comma minus 4.
So external point is what? 22 comma minus 4. This is our
22 comma minus 4.
children. Did you understand here what we did? Similar problem only. C1 C2 R1 R2. But here we got C1 C2 is greater than R1 R2. Then external point E divides
Into the ratio of 15:5. I mean 5 1 ja 5 3 ja. After simplifying we got
3:1. So here we have to use external. They are dividing externally.
Then formula is, here you will get minus.
Before problem you will get plus. So we got external point. But actually what they are asking the pair of direct common tangents. Okay,
The pair of, let us find
the pair of direct common tangents through A of
through 22 comma minus 4.
through 22 comma minus 4 to the circle
That is S1 square equal to S11 into
S. What is the formula? S1 square equal to S11 into S.
What is S1 square, children?
S1 square means
x1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c, already square is there, square.
children, what is the formula for S1 square? X1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c whole square. Right? So let us write
x1 square first of all, then we will see right hand side. S1 square means x into x1, this is our x1 and this is our y1. So x into 22 plus y into minus 4 plus g value how much? G value is 11, right? So 11 into, because here first circle this is 2g equal to 22, g equal to 11, children. So 11 into x plus x1 means 22 plus f1 how much? f1 2f equal to minus 4, f equal to minus 2. So that is minus 2 into y plus y1 means minus 4 plus c value minus 100 whole square.
is it clear, children? Minus 2 into y minus 4 minus 100 whole square. S1 square formula is x1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c whole square.
X means this only. X1 value is 22. Y as it is. Y1 value minus 4 plus g value what? 11 into x plus x1 value 22. F value minus 2. Minus 2 into y minus 4 plus c value minus 100
whole square equal to S11, children.
Equal to, we have S11 into S.
S11 means, so we have to substitute these points in this equation. That is 22 square.
I don't have place there. 22 square plus y means minus 4 whole square plus 22 into
plus 22 into x means 22 minus 4 into y means minus 4 minus 100 into, children, this step clear? S11 means we need to substitute point x1 y1 in the equation of circle x square plus y square plus 22x minus 4 by minus 100 into s. S means what, children? That is x square. This is only our equation of circle. X square plus y square plus 22x minus 4y minus 100, which is equal to, that's all. This step you need to understand clear. First one is S11. Sorry, S1 square. S1 means x1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c. Square is there, square. Equal to S11 means point we need to substitute in equation of circle. Into S means equation of the circle. Okay, children. Now let us do 22x minus 4y plus 11x plus 22 into 11. 11 to the 22, 11 to the 22 plus 2, 242. Minus 2y, minus into minus plus 8, minus 100 whole square. Right? 22x minus 4y plus 11x plus 242 minus 2y plus 8 minus 100 whole square equal to 22 square. 22 square means 484. 4 square means 16. 22 into 22, 484. Minus into minus plus 16 minus 100 into x square plus y square plus 22x minus 4y minus 100. Right? Now 22 plus 11, that is equal to 33x minus 4y minus 2y minus 6y, 242 plus 8, 250, 250 minus 100, 150 equal to, let us add 484, 484, 16, 484, 16, 10, 10, 20, 10, 11, 11 plus 8, 19, 19 plus 1, 20, which is equal to 1000, 1000 minus 100, that is equal to 900 into x square plus y square plus 22x minus 4y minus 100. Right? Now here I can take 9 common. 33x minus 6y so what we will take common? Let us take 3 common otherwise, because these are the multiples of 3. If I take 3 common, 3 11 is 33, 3 2 is 6, 3 50 is. But actually we have square, children, here. So this will become 3 square. 3 square means it will become 9. Are you understanding? Here I took 3 common, children, but here we have 3 square. 3 square value 9. Whole square equal to 900 into x square plus y square plus 22x minus 4y minus 100. So 9 table, 9 1 ja, 900 ja. Now which is in the form of a plus b plus c whole square. What is the formula of a plus b plus c whole square? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So 11x whole square means 121x square, 2y square means 4y square, 50 square means 5 5 is 2500 minus 2 11 is 22, 22 2 is 44xy minus 2 2 is 4, 4 5 is 20, 200y plus 2 into 50, 100, 100 into 11, 100 into 11, 1100 x, which is equal to 100x square plus 100y square plus 2200x minus 4000, 4 into 100, 400y minus 100 into 100, 1000. Is it clear, children? 100x square plus 100y square plus 2200x minus 400y minus 100 into 100 into, right, 10,000. One more zero. Okay, here we got 121 plus 4y square plus 2500 minus 44xy minus 200y plus 1100x. Yes, correct only. Now, so 100x square you transpose, children. 121x square here, we have 100 here. So it will become 21x square, 4y square, it will become minus 96y square. So we have minus 44xy, let it be. Then x term you see 1100 we have here, but here we have 2200. 2200 minus 1100, that is 1100. Which 1100? Minus 1100. Here minus 200y plus 400y, I mean plus 200y. Is there any constant? Yes, we have 2500 minus, if you transpose, plus, that is 12,500 equal to 0. So the answer is 21x square minus 96y square minus 44xy minus 1100x. That this is plus 1100, that is equal to plus 2200. Yes, correct only. Plus 200y plus 12,500 equal to 0. So children, so calculation part, we need to be careful. Slowly we have to do. That is the pair of direct common tangents through the circle. S1 square equal to S11 into S. Actually, this is 21 board model paper question. Damn sure they'll ask this question. No doubt at all. Okay, children. S1 square equal to S1 into S. This part you have to practice twice or thrice after watching the video, so that you can do it in exam easily. So children, this is our second method, 7-mark problems. And the next video we will discuss one more type of method problems. Okay children, don't forget to hit subscribe button, like it and share it with your friends. Thank you.